yeah. Oh yeah. I'm in Planet Fitness with it with the guys. You feel me? We'll get you fit. I got Coach Rick right here. Coach Rick, come on, let the camera can talk to him, man. You about to hit this Avalanche challenge. You feel me? You about to hit this Avalanche challenge, man. Hey, look, y'all already know what it is. We got the 40s for 10. We got the 50s for 8. We got the 60s. He wants 65s, big boy shit. But motherfucker 70s, we got 40. We going right back down, all in under 5 minutes, man. I love it. Oh, 10 with the 40s, yeah. 50s is 8, 65s is 6, 70s is 4. But as soon as you finish that shit, you're going right back down the mountain. Yeah. Now you can pause at the time.
Now I'm about to say, so hit the full and then go full.
Yeah. So it's 4. If you need to take a quick little second, you can.
Yeah.
But get back in that bitch.
Nah, for sure.
But you gotta do it all in under 5 minutes.
Yeah.
All right.
No, I hear it now.
All right.
I just had to hear it first, and I was like, wait, what?
I'm gonna wait till you hit your first. When you going for your first rep, I'm gonna start the time.
Yeah.
But I'm gonna drop. When you drop, I'm gonna slide you to the.
Let's do it. So basically, when I finish, just stay in position. Stay
Oh
in.
yeah, just stay here. Don't move.
No, that's what I'm asking you. Don't
Yeah.
get up.
Don't move.
I got you.
Oh yeah. You ready?
Yeah. Hold on.
I'm gonna say, just know you on camera. This is all going on there.
Try that, man.
Yeah. So, boys first. You was good before. Oh yeah, we locked in. Let's do it. Boom. Like the pace. You got 6. 6. He had 40 seconds.
My fault.
That hoe getting spicy yet? You got 4. Yeah. You had 1 minute and 11 seconds. Yeah. Come on. 2. One more right, my boy. You got one more right. Yeah. Come on. That bitch up. Yeah. Oh yeah, he's sweating. Like, yeah. You about to come up on the 2-minute mark. I think the quickest time is 2:37. Trey got to be 2:37.
Trey?
Yeah.
So you got football, got no time.
That was 8. You got 6. I mean, my fault. No, that was 6. This is 8. Yeah, 5 more, Rick. 5 more, Rick. 5 more, Rick. 5 more. You at 2:45. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. 326. 326. Y'all see it live. Shout out to my man, Coach Rick, man. Shout out to you, my man. Yeah, shout out to you for surviving.